Just got a phone call. It's road trip time. Let's see how it goes.
Why are you stressing it?
Dumb. Why are you stressing it?
Where are we going today?
Yo, Dunkin' Donuts, kid.
Back to back.
We got a lot of clothes in here.
Did you bring any ketchup?
Them shit stink. Get out of there!
Merge onto I-80 West.
But he's just like,
that scared. You see him popping 400 out of my home run, man.
he was popping your up and I'm getting nervous. I'm
nervous. I looked the other way. Like, I don't even want to see what this kid's crazy.
That's it, we're leaving. I don't want to leave. Can I stay with Shane? He's bringing my bikes back. I'm like, no. Then we get to the chicken spot. He's like, Dad, okay, you got something to eat. Can we go back and hang out with Shane at the spot? I said, no.
Shane there? Is Shane there?
I said, you're not riding? No, just to watch. Yeah.
Right.
It is what it is. I knew I was too good to be true. She was like, calm down. Then my mother-in-law calls me like an hour later. Julio, I'm like, what's up? She's like, what's the matter, Bobby? I said, what do you mean? She's like, what's going on? I said, well, what? She was like, you need me. I said, I always need you, but what's up? Chrome and that's it. I don't think you should put any other colors in it in case I want to change something. 31.
Take exit 31.
The shit you see when you're driving. Oh yeah, I ain't ready for this. What is it, this one? 30,000 in 19 hours. Your supermodel's at 12,000. Open the door for you, honey.